This one's a little bittersweet for me. Over the years, I've had the honor of mentoring, so many incredible chefs through the Chefpreneur Protege program. A lot of the chefs started with a dream, honestly, a little bit of doubt, and definitely a whole lot of heart. And I've watched them step into their calling, building real businesses, real brands, and really lives I believe they never thought possible. This program has truly been one of the most fulfilling things I've ever done in my life, but unfortunately, I've decided this is going to be my final round of proteges. I'll really be taking on only one, possibly two. There's good candidates for this really last final round of proteges, and I'm going to pour everything I have into them. Together, we'll build your business from the ground up, your brand, your systems, your marketing, and really I'll walk with you every single step of the way. Now, before I tell you more, I want you to hear from a few chefs who've already been through this journey, chefs whose lives and businesses have been completely transformed. I want you to hear from them personally on their experience working with me in my protege program.
Hi, I'm Chef George. I'm here to gush a little bit about Chef Andres and the Chefpreneur program. Chefpreneur completely changed my life. Before joining, I dreamed of starting my own business, and I was a little lost in life and felt a little rudderless in the middle of the ocean. With Chef Andres' mentorship and his great inspiration, I was able to launch East Coast Chefs. The Chefpreneur program and Chef Andres' great mentorship, and Chef Andres has been such an inspiring guide for me. Always encouraging, honest, and passionate about helping other chefs succeed. And I've felt that 100% along the way. Between the community support, the program itself, and Chef Andres' constant mentorship, I don't know where I'd be without them.
Hey, Chef Cinnamon here. I am a world-class personal chef right here in Dallas, Texas, and I wanted to talk to you about my experience working with Chef Andres Hinojosa and also being a Chefpreneur Protege member of his. And because it's been a great experience for me. It's really changed my business and my life. And so what happened was, before I met Chef Andres, for years, decades even, I've been trying to be a personal chef. I knew that I loved to cook for people and they love my food, but I just didn't know how to monetize it. So he has a system in place. So he teaches you everything about the Chefpreneur business, and he's been in this business. He knows what he's doing. Also, what elevated me is I was able to get the information from him that's specific to my business and my location and my personality and my food. We now have multiple recurring meal prep clients, which I love, and they love us too. And we host so many private chef events now and parties that we engage in other chefs. We have to hire other chefs to keep up with the demand. Let me just tell you a little bit about Chef Andres too. Chef Andres he's down to earth, he's patient, he's supportive, and he's hilarious. And again, he's just incredibly knowledgeable about this business, and he has a passion for helping people just like me that just didn't know how to get there. And it was a very short time, in less than a year, both me and my husband were able to quit our jobs and do this full time. So if you are a personal chef already, or you're looking to become one, you want a business that's truly profitable, sustainable, and fulfilling, then I 100% recommend working with Chef Andres. It's absolutely one of the best decisions I've ever made in my life and my business. Thank you, Chef Andres, for everything.
Hi everybody, my name is Chef Justin, and I own a business in Austin, Texas called Lone Star Chefs. And I was a protege student back in late 2022. And I want to tell you a little bit of my success story. Before the program, I was a chef that worked in a hotel, and I was working probably close to 70 hours a week. And I was getting burnt out. I was tired. I was looking for something new. I needed something that was quick, that could help me build my business. I've never owned a business before, so I was kind of looking for something that can help guide me in the direction of what to do. The training that was involved was amazing, and I really hit the ground running with the thing, right? 3 years down the road, here I am, still run my business. I have 3 chefs that work for me now. I mostly just book events, which is amazing. I spend so much more time at home with my family, which was my ultimate goal.
$4,135 in tips.
How long, for how many events?
For 3.
Good Lord.
Yeah, they were both big ones though. One of them was, which was really cool. One of them was a corporate event for 3 days that one of my chefs did.
If I had the choice, I would do it 10 times over again. I mean, I'm super grateful for everybody that works for Chefpreneur. I still talk to them all the time. It was one of the best decisions that I've ever made in my entire life.
Hearing those stories still gets me every time. I remember all the journeys of all the proteges, but man, Justin, George, Cinnamon, they all hit, right? And because honestly, this isn't about me. It's about chefs like you. It's about chefs like them. It's about what happens when someone finally decides to go all in on the gift they've been given. Now, the Protege program is a full 1-year mentorship. It's not a course, it's not another class. It's truly me personally coaching you one-on-one for an entire year. And we're gonna build your business from the ground up. We're gonna craft your entire brand, your brand messaging, help you set up all your systems, your sales processes, and even create your marketing engine for you that we can eventually run ads to get more leads in your business. And again, I'm gonna personally train you on how to market yourself, how to really book clients and close the deal, how to scale sustainably, and even hire other chefs if you wanna grow into that. Now, my team, the same team that's helped more than 60 chefs build their brands, will be building it all out for you, so you won't be alone in all this. So again, if you feel that tug in your heart, that quiet pull saying, it's my time, I'd truly like to talk to you. There's only a couple spots available for this. Really, I'm aiming for one. I'm not gonna say that there's 2 spots really, but there might be if for the right candidate. But whoever steps into it, I promise your business and your life are not going to be the same. It is a substantial investment to work with me for a whole year. There's only been 16 proteges up until now. If you feel like you're the next protege, I'd be honored to help you build the business and the life that you were meant and called to build. Click the link below, and I hope to see you apply, and I hope to talk to you in more details about what the Protege program is. God bless you, and talk to you soon.